So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to cap lock text here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva's opened up, just go to the left hand side, press on text, and for this example, I'll just add a heading. I'll type in cap lock just like this. Now, as you can tell by default for this font, it actually is in all lowercase right here, cap lock. But if you wanted to make it all uppercase, simply just double tap on the text right here. Go to this top bar to where there's this lowercase a and uppercase a, or where it's uppercase. Press on that, and it makes every letter capitalized. So if you were to go ahead here and I'll just make a second row, I type in the exact same thing. As you can tell, it is all cap lock. If you want to highlight certain words and make it normal, you can go ahead and do the exact same thing as well. So very simple, very self-explanatory. That is how to cap lock text here on Canva using Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.